The Odisha Bandh, called by the Nabanirman Krushak Sangathan, has turned out to be a super flop, said Food Supplies and Consumer Welfare Minister Krishna Chandra Patra. Addressing the media, the minister claimed that farmers across the state did not participate in the protest. He said no genuine farmers came out on the streets and no cultivators blocked roads or joined the agitation anywhere in Odisha. According to him, the failed Bandh clearly shows that the farming community stands with the state government. The minister accused the organization of attempting to mislead the public, adding that such efforts have not succeeded. Highlighting the state's procurement performance, Patra said paddy procurement is progressing smoothly across Odisha. As of Tuesday, over 37,91,000 metric tons of paddy have already been procured. He further informed that more than Rs 8,000 crore has been transferred directly to farmers' bank accounts. In several districts, procurement has been completed, while in others it is nearing completion. Reiterating the government's commitment to farmers, the minister said the procurement process is being carried out transparently with timely payment and minimal inconvenience to cultivators.
कृषक माने कोठी भी ताक सहित बाहरले ना कहीं ना आम जो 300 टंका पर क्विंटाल दौचु प्रकृत में कृषक बहुत खुशी अच्छा सारा ओडिशा रे एणु कृषक माने प्रकृत में राजरास्ता को बाहरी ना जदि बाहरी था तार प्रभाव निश्चय पड़ी था आमे आज सुधा कई नेता माने कहते जे मात्र 25 लाख मेट्रिक टन किणा मुझे ना नौनी आज सुधा माने आज गत काली सुधा आमर 37,91,225 मेट्रिक टन धान किणा सरला ये स्पष्ट हो गला ये जो सुपर फ्लॉप है जो ओडिशा बंद स्पष्ट जना पड़गला जे चाषी माने सरकार सहित अच्छा गोटे बाई इलेक्शन है नुआपड़ा से प्रूव करदे जे आम सरकार सहित अच्छु 84,000 डिफरेन्स आम जीतलु